What's going on, guys? Wags World Cards back with another video. Today we're ripping 2021 Topps Heritage Minor League Baseball. Looking for 2 on-card autographs per box. Without further ado, let's get into it. Got Spencer Torkelson on the front. He went to West Michigan. You get a 1972 poster box loader and a whole bunch of packs. Looking for 2 on-card autographs here. Okay, so let's dive into it. We'll save this for last. Looking for some good prospects, a couple guys who have come up. I'm just going to stop if we see anyone we like or any inserts. It's a fun rip. It's a cheap rip. At the prices it's at right now, got it for about, I want to say 45 bucks before the season started. Got a green Andre Nibi, Libator, Wagyu, Cassie. Yeah, so I'm just going to stop if we see anyone notable for 2 on-card autographs. Meyer, O'Neill Cruz, that's a cool one. Tom Glavine, Boyhood Photos of the Stars, Bryce Ball. Jordan Walker, GCL Cardinals. Another cool one there. Walker very hot. Bobby Miller, that's a cool one for my Dodgers. Aguero. Bobby Witt Jr., Topps Heritage Baseball. Huh. It's a cool little insert. Very young looking Bobby for the mullet. Yeah, this is a really fun rip, I gotta say. Eric. Nick York, Peter Haflin. We got a mini Wander Franco. 14, Durham Bulls. Ashby just got shut down for the year. Ronnie Mauricio. I mean, a lot of names here of guys who are just absolutely raking, or were raking in spring and are starting their season. Got a gunner on the back. I mean, these are really cool names. Cassis in the bigs. Christian Robinson. Hope he bounces back. Tink Hence, really cool one. Another Andre Nebi. I mean, I haven't heard that guy. Gunner, cool. Nicoladolo, J.C. Correa, Ryan Vilade, Pico Armstrong, Casey Schmidt, Garrett Mitchell, raking for the Brewers. Justin Lange, Hernandez, still looking for our first auto. Urbina, Caraway, Westberg, Vizcaino, Cole Henry, Cade Cavelli, Freeman. Looks like we might have something here. Alec Thomas in the bigs. Jeter Downs got some time. Vilade. Got a black Jared Kelly. That's numbered out of 50. Jared Kelly for the White Sox. Rosario, Jordan, Santos. Jared Kelly. He's no Joe Kelly, but maybe he will be, as they're both on the White Sox. Moreno, Josiah Gray, former Dodger. Rodier, Jackie Robinson, Boyhood Photos of the Stars. Bracho, Cavaco, Francisco Alvarez, sorry. Breeze. Glennon Hill, Miguel Amaya, Gentry, Jordan Walker baseball insert. The big hat. Libator, Pena, Jung, Gage Workman. All right, so 1 insert so far. Still no autos. And we've got our bonus pack as well. Zach Thien. Vargas, Great Lake Loons. Boom. DL Hall, Rivias, Marco Luciano, Grosham's Michael Harris, Rome Braves, Nick Gonzalez. McRae, Brett Beatty, Nick Gonzalez in action, Tucker, Bobby Witt, mini. Schuster got his big league call up. McDonald, Ivan Herrera. All right, 5 packs left. No autos yet. Schumacher, Wander Franco, Brumdo, Bulls, Tigers, and David Calabresi. Auto on card, not numbered. Very cool. For the Angels. Hudson Head, Mason Wynn, Tanner Burns, Austin Hendrick. 4 packs left. 1 auto left. Baylor, Bryce Terang just got called up. Torque in action. Blaze Jordan, Ramos, Infante, Brudhan, Beard. Ethan Hearn, Jared Kelly again, Smith Nabaja, Nick Gonzalez, Boscu, Franco in action, Langeliers, Abrams. 2 packs left. Looking for our last auto. Hopefully we get something nice. Cabrera, Mesa Jr., Jose Tena, Patino, Dontrell Willis, JT Ginn, Cattell, Rivera. All right, last pack. Looking for one more auto, unless I missed it. Let me know. Grisham, Carroll, Duran, auto, Antonio Gomez for the Yankees. On-card auto, not numbered. Ed Howard, Zach Daniels, Pete Crow, Armstrong. All right, and we get our bonus 1972 Topps poster card box loader. Let's see, I got Mick Abel, Alexander Vargas, Robert Hassel, cool, and Mick Abel. All right, so overall, a lot of cool names. We got 1 parallel, a black parallel of Jared Kelly, and then we've got these 2 autos of Cabriz and Antonio Gomez. Fun rip, cheap rip. You saw the names. You never know who you might get. So yeah, thank you for watching. Have a great rest of your day.